Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Sheen, your host. This is Money Matters. In this channel, we talk about money, finance, how to grow your money, how to invest your money, how to make money work hard for you. Guys, if you like to watch somebody that does a portfolio open, transparent, consider subscribing to me. I show you my buys, my sells. I open up my portfolio for everyone to see. So I'm completely transparent about my public portfolio. If you look at my older videos, you'll see videos where I just basically go through my portfolio line by line. I do update every now and then. I've been making some purchases recently, and I just don't have enough time to make all these videos. I'm kind of running out of time to make certain videos, so I am going to update my portfolio video pretty soon, but just to keep you a little bit up to date in the loop, I have been purchasing some stocks recently, including a lot of these EV stocks. The EV market is just on fire. It's just, Tesla is leading the pack, and all these companies are just, coming onto the scene, and just basically their stock is going crazy. Some of them, just to name a few, Blink Charger. They're a EV charging infrastructure company. So that's really hot. I've been picking up some shares of that. Picking up LCA, which is the company that's going to merge to become Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Also Arcimoto and Hyliion, of course. So that's just to name a few. Again, I'm going to update you about my full portfolio coming up soon. So consider subscribing, and give me a thumbs up if you liked those type of videos. Today, we're going to talk about Tesla, because Tesla is just absolutely on fire, breaking over $1,400 a share. It is unbelievable to think that last year this stock was trading in the 200s, and now it's over 1,400. So we're going to talk about Tesla, and I'm going to talk about why someone would want to consider. Again, not buying advice. I'm not giving advice, but just to do your own research and consider picking up shares if you don't have any shares, to consider getting in before the end of the month. All right, guys. So let's get on with it. So here is Tesla's stock price, closed today at $13.89, and then after hours at $13.80. So like I said, look at this chart. This is a one-year chart. Back in August of 2019, it was trading in the 200s, and basically trading in the 200s from November and before, all in the 200s before skyrocketing to the 900s, and then taking a massive dip back in March and April due to the whole stock market crash, and now today over $1,300. All right, so here is my portfolio. Like I said, I am completely transparent about my stocks in my public portfolio, and this is my biggest holding in pretty much all of my portfolios. In this particular portfolio, my cost basis is $515, which is actually the highest of all the cost basis I have on Tesla. So we're going to talk about why it's pretty clear that Tesla is going to report profits in Q2 of 2020, profits during basically the whole factory shutdown. So here are their numbers that they just released a couple of days ago. Sorry, these are actually the numbers from Q1 2020. Sorry. So Q1 of 2020, which was released in April, their production was 102,672. And of that, they delivered 88,400. So keep that in mind. They delivered roughly 14,000 units less than their production. So they have about 14,000 in inventory from Q1. So now this is their Q2 delivery that was released in July 2nd. And so they produced less. They only produced 82,000, and that's obvious because their factory was shut down for, I think it was probably like 7 weeks. So they produced less, but they delivered 90,650. They delivered more than they did in Q1. And what helped was because they had that extra 14,000 that they didn't deliver in Q1. So they definitely they delivered more in Q2, and so that is one of the reasons why it is really possible that they are going to show a profit in Q2 of 2020. And so why is this important? I said this in my previous video. If Tesla is able to show a profit in Q2, that will be the final thing that will allow them to get into the S&P 500. If they get into the S&P 500, the impact on their stock is going to be massive. Basically, every single index fund out there is going to be forced to buy shares in Tesla because they are now an official S&P 500 company, and that is going to be a tremendous amount of buying pressure on Tesla stock. And a lot of people are not going to sell their Tesla stock, so the price is going to have to go up. And like I said, that the index funds that are holding S&P 500, they have to. It's not a choice. They have to buy Tesla stock. So if nobody wants to sell at $1,400, $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, whatever that price goes to, if it goes up to $2,000, $3,000, whatever it is, it has to go to whatever price that someone's willing to let go of their shares for all these index funds to purchase their shares. So it's going to put a massive amount of buying pressure on Tesla stock. So the next thing is a bunch of leaked emails from Elon Musk. And Elon Musk isn't stupid. He knows like these emails are going to leak. And he sends it out to Tesla employees, but he knows that this is going to leak into the media. So a lot of people are saying that he's actually trying to communicate with Tesla investors. So here's one of the emails. For the last 10 days of the quarter, please consider your primary priority to be helping with the vehicle deliveries. This applies to everyone. As challenges go, this is a good one to have, as we've built the cars and people have bought the cars, so we just need to get the cars to their new owners. Elon, Q1 2019. Next leaked email. For many reasons, a great deal of Tesla execution worldwide is packed into the final week of the quarter. It is very important that we go all out through end of June 30th to ensure a good outcome. Wouldn't bring this up if it's not very important. Elon Musk. So that was just last quarter, and so he released this email because he knows how important it is to show a profit to get Tesla into S&P 500. So he's doing absolutely everything to ensure that Tesla is going to show a profit. Next email. So this is basically the very end of last quarter, subject down to the last few days to everyone from Elon. On June 29th, 2020, breaking even is looking super tight. Really makes a difference for every car you build and deliver. Please go all out to ensure victory. So, these series of email shows how important it is that Tesla shows a profit in Q2 of 2020, showing profit to just basically blow everyone out of the water, to show profit when the factory has been shut down for 7 weeks, to basically put all doubt out of everybody's mind. So that's how important it was. So further information after the close of Q2 2020, Elon Musk, Tesla releases these shorts. I think everybody has already heard about these shorts, the whole backstory about the shorts. So it's just basically Elon Musk, mocking and trolling short sellers of Tesla. And so these shorts were selling for $69 and $420. And so the significance of 69 and 420. So these shorts were released after the close of Q2. So he would not release these shorts and kind of mock Tesla short sellers if they didn't produce a profit in Q2. It's just counterintuitive. If it wouldn't make sense to release these shorts and mock Tesla shorts if then you're gonna 2 weeks later come out with a report and you did not make profit in Q2, right? So Elon Musk already knows that they made a profit in Q2, and that's why he released these shorts to mock Tesla short sellers. So it is pretty clear that there is going to be a profit for Q2. It is pretty clear that they will be in the S&P 500, and therefore the buying pressure on Tesla stock is about to go skyrocketing. So did I buy any of these shorts? Of course I did. I was actually surprised that they weren't sold out when I went on to buy them. I actually bought 10 pairs. They're limited edition, so I'm going to pick up as many as I can. Here's one of my orders. This is my first order for 5, and they were $69, and so it was $347 for this order. So hey, by the way, guys, if I get 420 likes on this video, and when I get my shorts in, I'll be wearing the shorts on my next Tesla video. So if you guys want to see me in these shorts, I don't know, maybe you don't want to see it and you won't like the video, but if you want to see it, I'll do it. If I get 420 likes, 420, I will wear shorts, these Tesla shorts, whenever I get them delivered on my next Tesla video. So share this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see this fool wearing these shorts. I promise you I will not be looking as good as this picture right here, but hey, if you want to see it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't want to see it, don't give me a thumbs up. All right, so anyways, the final thing I'm going to touch upon is so Elon Musk and Ron Barron. If you don't know who Ron Barron is, he is probably one of the biggest bulls on Tesla. Him and Elon Musk are close. They talk, and Elon Musk tells him things, and so Ron Barron has been on a lot of interviews, and he may or may not have said things that he probably should or should not have said about what Elon has told him. But one of the things that he said in an interview was that Elon Musk told Ron Barron, told him, I think it was sometime last year, he said in an interview that Elon Musk told him that everything is going to come together in June, which is June 2020. And so far everything is coming together, and it's June, July right now. So this is specifically what he was told. Ron Barron talked about how about 3 or 4 months ago, Musk told him next June, that's when everything comes together. That's when Tesla's Model Y expected to come into production during the company's third quarter earnings call. Musk said, I think it's quite likely. Just my opinion, but I think it will outsell Model S, Model X, and Model 3 combined. So far this has come true. It is now June, July timeframe. Tesla stock is on a tear. Model Y is in production. They're making deliveries. So everything is coming true. So if you have any doubts, just consider what I have said. Basically, all the leaked emails, the shorts, what was told to Ron Barron. So everything is coming together. So when they show a profit in the next few weeks, they're going to release those numbers, and they show a profit. Tesla stock, of course, is going to pop. And when the news comes out that it's official that they are a S&P 500 company, the stock is just going to go on a tear. So personally, if I was not in Tesla, I would be getting into Tesla before this news, before their numbers come out at the end of July. So that's my video, guys. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know if you disagree. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. If you want to see me in those shorts, give me a thumbs up. Let's get to 420 likes on this video. Thank you very much, guys. Consider subscribing. Peace.